Grain and livestock futures out of the plus side on Friday. Garrett Toay with AgTraderTalk is joining us. And Garrett, let's talk about grains higher Friday, higher for the week. Can we build on it? What will it take?
I sure hope so. We're about 3 weeks away from seasonal tendencies where things start to kind of fall out of bed, but we're also going to get into a period where we're going to get into more summer weather and the pollination window into early July. And it looks like, maybe some of the early model runs may be offering some potential pattern changes here in that time frame. So we're obviously looking for areas where we can advance sales or advance coverage here to protect downside. But the next 3 weeks will be fairly crucial here for these grain markets.
Yeah, and we do know we've had a little short covering as well. But in your mind, how much weather premium do you think these markets need to be adding in?
That's a very good question. You look at the April high was around 470, which is the spring crop insurance price. That was when we were worried about planting delays in the Mid-South and Delta. But then we had a big week of planting progress in the Western Corn Belt. So obviously, I think that we do need to build some weather premium in here. How much we add maybe depends on the end of month acreage reports, to be honest with you. If we do increase corn acres in here, then obviously we don't need as much. But, continue to hear anecdotal reports of some prevent plant in Ohio. That's what kind of comes home to roost is these end of month acreage reports.
And all-time highs in cash cattle and futures on Friday. Can we keep going, do you think?
Cash is king here, and we're finally starting to see the board take off and converge towards these cash prices. It sure seems like it. This is the mantra I've been talking about, is that, cash and consumer, when those things kind of balk, that's when we know this thing is over. But this is a fundamental supply issue, and it doesn't seem like the consumer is really balking at these prices.
No doubt. Hopefully we can keep that going then. Thanks so much. That is Garrett Toay with AgTraderTalk. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.